If you want to own a home, you really need to pay attention for about 4 minutes here. I get compensated when I sell a house. We buy and sell houses. We do mortgages, and we mainly deal with people who can't get approved right now. So I have a huge vested interest in trying to understand what is it going to take to get people approved for a loan. It's so simple, most people don't believe it. It's so ridiculously easy. People are just passing over for some reason. It's very frustrating. I could get half the people I talk to a mortgage in about 90 days if they just do what I'm about to show you. And it's basically realize that 65% of your score exists off of what you have open right now for open credit and if you're paying on it. So if you can have all the open credit in the world. If you pay it off every month, you don't have a payment history. You actually have to. If you have $1,000 credit card or a secured card or whatever, you charge $100 to it and you pay all 100 off, you don't get this part of the pie here. Most people don't even have a credit card to begin with, so just getting it's a step in the right direction. Then charge the 100 and pay off 90. You'll get both pieces of this puzzle, and instead of trying to get into a house with 33% of your guns, let's call them, you get to use all 100%. This is the big thing over here. It's crazy that you can go get a secured card from your bank for $300, pay on it, charge $100 on it, pay off 75 of it for 3 months in a row, and you'll see an increase in your credit score. I've seen it knock an employee score of mine up 70 points. I've seen it happen a million times, but you have to do this. If you're not willing to invest in yourself and do these things and learn these things, there's no bank that's going to invest in you by giving you a mortgage. What is going on is credit reports right now are just like this plant. They're thirsty for water, and we've been in a credit drought where they haven't been handing out new credit over the past 5 years. So I'm about to show you where to get new credit. We keep an eye on this. I know everybody in the industry, and when they have a new product, if it works, I push it. You click this link below. This is the best of the best that I've seen. Also, I can tell you right now, if you go to your bank and make sure they report to all three bureaus, you can get a secured card that does just about the same thing as anything else you're going to get out there. So you don't even independent of anything that I have to offer, just do it. If you just do these things, use this link to get one of the best cards I've seen online that I know reports to all three bureaus that's legit and will stay around for a while. Or go to your bank. I don't care. Just do that. If you do this for 3 months, we offer to pay an application fee, reimburse you any application fee for a mortgage or to move into one of our homes. We'll pay for it because that's how much I believe in it if you just do it. You basically want to use the card. Some people just get it and they don't charge anything. You want to use it. Don't run up a balance for, obviously you don't want to, if you got a $300 card, don't run up $300. You want to keep it under 33%. And then don't pay it off entirely. You do those things, you're going to be in a position to get a home. For some reason, people are skeptical. I can't resist this. It's October 8th. If you look down here in the bottom right, you can see it's October 8th, 2012. As I'm writing this, somebody, as I get all the time, just gets me an email. Look, October 8th, 2012. I don't think opening another credit card is the answer, but thank you. Well, I try to just don't be this person. This is the person. I'm telling you right now, if you're not willing to get new credit, and we've told you that you should get new credit, I wouldn't even move forward with anything because you're not going to get a home 90% of the time. Is it technically possible? Yes, but you can also walk over a mountain, but you can fly over it too. I'm looking to fly over the mountain, and that happens with new credit. Don't be this person. Don't. It might not make sense why a $300 card can go from I can't finance a stick of gum to here's a $200,000 mortgage, but I didn't make the system, they did. To me, the system's just outdated. This is built when everybody's been handing out a lot of credit. This should be half this, but the good news is as long as you know what I'm telling you and you do these simple things, you're going to be in a position to buy a house a lot of times. It's simple as that. As long as you have a job and make money and just learn these things and take some time to invest in yourself, not just with spending a few dollars on getting a secured card, which it doesn't really cost you anything, some time to understand this. It should make sense that if you don't have any credit and you're not running any balances and you're not making payments, you're not going to get 65% of your score. These are people that I've literally seen this exact thing work with. You can get to a point where you stall out and can't get any more increase to your score, even if you have nothing wrong on it. But you start to get you start to add credit and make payments, their system just basically says you're worthy now. That's what somebody went from a low 600 to a 700. Here's a 547 to a 650. Now these people all of a sudden are magically approved are able to get approved for a home. It might not make sense, but that's the way it is. click on this link, get new credit, go to your bank, get new credit, make sure it reports to all the bureaus. Don't pay it off, but pay it up down, and just 90 days, I promise you're going to be blown away by how much there's been an increase to your score. If we're telling you to get new credit and you don't, I pretty much consider this person not doing what they need to do to get a house. If you're not willing to do this, I don't know why a bank should be willing to lend you $100,000. But please do this. Understand its importance, and I wish you guys the best of luck. Thanks.